World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, we going over if you can still get paid with limited or no ads on YouTube. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy World. Now, on this video, we going over some YouTube guidelines. I wanted to make a video about this because I haven't seen a direct video about the topic which I'm talking about, and this is when you upload certain content on YouTube that's deemed not advertiser friendly. And you know that by when you upload and you see this yellow $sign. Now, most of the time you get green $signs on your videos. That's how you know the video is good, is able to get monetized. But sometimes you upload content and you get a yellow $sign, and YouTube has a guideline, and this is the advertiser friendly, content guidelines. And it's certain stuff that you can't post. Well, you can post on YouTube, but you can't make money off of. So a video with a lot of inappropriate language, a video with a lot of violence, adult content, harmful acts or dangerous acts, hateful content, demeaning content, drug related content, tobacco related, gun related, any controversial issues, adult topics, you know what I'm saying? You can't get a lot of money off of those. But I did a little test, and sometimes I upload videos and I know that it's adult content. Like as far as like my medical marijuana videos, I know that's adult content. So for example, right here, I didn't even monetize it, like, because I know that it'll get a yellow, check mark by it, a yellow $sign. So what I did, I went ahead and monetized this video. Now this video is We on the Lodge with it. If you don't know, you probably ain't from Detroit. So I monetized this video, and I wanted to see how much they would pay me, for the views. Now normally content like this, I would think it'll get a low CPM around $1 or $2, but it didn't even get that. Like this video, they paid me 66 cents. And that just goes to show you they still pay on limited or no ads. Is just really limited. You know what I'm saying? Like this should at least have, $20. I should at least made $20 off of 18,000 views. But, the ad revenue, this content is deemed as a dangerous act because they're doing donuts on the freeway. So, you know what I'm saying? I liked it. I like the content. That's why I posted it. But, YouTube views it as a dangerous act. And like, for example, when I make videos about runts, I make videos about medical marijuana, and those videos don't get monetized at all. Let me just show you. See, those videos, some videos, like if I'm driving to the dispensary, okay, you're not showing nothing for real. So you can do that. But, when I post all about the runts, when I post the tour dates, they allow that, they allow you to post about a tour because even though it's related to runts, but it ain't showing the actual cannabis on camera, So I don't get paid off these videos, I don't get paid off none of my medical marijuana videos. But something you could do, and which I do in every video, and I'm about to make a separate video about this, but something you can do in videos which are limited to no ads, make sure you have affiliate links in it. Because even though it's limited to no ads, YouTube still allows you to get the viewers. It still allows you to get the engagement that comes from that video. So off this video, I might gain 5,000 subscribers, and in the description, I also have affiliate links, things that can make me money on the side, that's not the YouTube ad revenue. But I'm gonna make a video about that, like a checklist everybody needs for the YouTube videos, because in every YouTube description, you should have affiliate links. Like when you upload a YouTube video, it's basically on here forever, and it can get found a year from now, 2 years from now. So if you have a active link in your description at all times in every single video, you have a higher number of chances to get sales and to get extra income, and that's all it's about, when we, applying ourselves and moving forward in our independence and wanting more for ourselves. You got to have multiple streams of income. So it's your boy Yon World. You can still get paid from limited to no ads. It's just very little. I did a test. I went ahead and, monetized this video. It was confirmed by a manual review. This was a good video too. How to transmute your sexual energy. But they, manually, I requested a review and they said it was not suitable for advertisers, but it still runs certain ads. So, we're going to see what that one does also and do a test on that later on. But you can get paid from limited to no ads. It's just limited to no money. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.